Living in West Valley City offers many benefits, such as beautiful landscapes, a close-knit community, and easy access to urban amenities. However, one issue that many homeowners face is noise pollution. Whether it's traffic sounds, nearby construction, or the hum of busy streets, noise can be a constant source of disruption in your home. If you're looking to create a quieter, more peaceful living space, proper door installation is a key factor in reducing noise pollution. This article explores how investing in high-quality doors and proper installation can significantly reduce external noise and improve the comfort and tranquility of your home. The importance of door seals and weather stripping. One of the most important components of a properly installed door is its ability to form a tight seal when closed. Even a small gap around your door can allow sound to travel through, letting unwanted noise into your home. Weather stripping and door seals are essential for improving the soundproofing qualities of your door. These materials fill in any small gaps that may exist between the door and the frame, preventing sound waves from penetrating your space. When properly installed, weather stripping not only helps keep out drafts but also acts as a barrier against external noises. Whether it's the sound of traffic, pedestrians, or neighborhood activities, a well-sealed door can significantly minimize how much noise enters your home, helping you create a more peaceful living environment. Choosing the right door materials for soundproofing. The material of your door plays a huge role in its ability to block out external noise. Solid core doors are highly effective at reducing noise transmission compared to hollow core doors. A solid wood or fiberglass door with a thick, dense core can absorb sound waves more effectively than lighter materials. Wooden doors. High-quality wooden doors, especially those with solid cores, offer excellent soundproofing qualities. Wood naturally has dense, compact fibers that help absorb and dampen sound, making it a great option for homes in noisy environments. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are another excellent choice for reducing noise. They are strong, durable, and come with solid cores that add an extra layer of sound resistance. Additionally, fiberglass doors require less maintenance compared to wooden doors and provide excellent insulation against both temperature and sound. Steel doors. Steel doors are a good option if you're looking for added security as well as noise reduction. Steel doors are extremely dense and provide excellent soundproofing. However, they may need additional insulation to further reduce noise levels. By selecting the right materials for your door, you can ensure that your home is better insulated from external noise sources. Double or triple pane glass for patio and entry doors. If your home has patio doors or other doors with glass panels, choosing the right glass type is essential for minimizing noise. Double pane or triple pane glass is an excellent option for reducing external sound transmission. These types of windows feature multiple layers of glass separated by air or gas-filled spaces, which help to block sound waves. Double pane glass. The air or gas between the panes acts as a sound barrier, reducing the amount of noise that passes through the glass. Double pane glass is commonly used in modern doors and windows for both energy efficiency and noise reduction. Triple pane glass. For even better soundproofing, consider triple pane glass. These windows consist of 3 layers of glass, further reducing the amount of noise that can penetrate your home. Triple pane glass is a premium choice for homes in particularly noisy areas. Upgrading to doors with double pane or triple pane glass can significantly improve your home's ability to block out unwanted noise, particularly in high traffic areas or if your home is located near busy streets. The installation process. Getting it right. Proper installation is just as important as choosing the right materials for your door. Even the best quality doors won't be effective at reducing noise if they aren't installed correctly. An improperly fitted door with gaps or misalignments can actually make noise issues worse by allowing sound to seep through. Professional installation. Hiring a professional door installer ensures that your door fits snugly within the frame, with no gaps or spaces around the edges. A custom-fit door is essential for creating an airtight seal and blocking out as much noise as possible. Proper sealing. During the installation process, the installer will also ensure that all weather stripping and seals are properly applied, ensuring there are no openings for sound to travel through. A well-sealed door prevents both drafts and noise from infiltrating your living space. When investing in new doors, it's important to hire a reputable company with experience in soundproofing and professional installation to ensure the best results. Additional soundproofing solution. If you're looking to further reduce noise pollution in your home, there are additional soundproofing solutions you can consider. Soundproofing door panels. Adding soundproof door panels to your existing doors can enhance their ability to block noise. These panels can be added during installation or retrofitted to existing doors. Door sweeps. Installing door sweeps at the bottom of your doors can also help reduce noise by blocking gaps where sound can easily travel. This is particularly important for exterior doors or doors that lead to noisy areas like streets or alleys. Conclusion. A quieter home with proper door installation. If you're struggling with noise pollution in West Valley City, replacing or upgrading your doors can make a significant difference. Proper door installation, along with the right materials and additional soundproofing techniques, can reduce the amount of noise that enters your home, creating a more peaceful living environment. Whether you choose solid core wood doors, fiberglass or steel doors, or opt for double pane glass, upgrading your doors is a valuable investment in both comfort and peace of mind. By working with a professional installation team, you can ensure that your doors are properly fitted and sealed to provide maximum soundproofing benefits. Make your home a quiet sanctuary with the right door solutions for West Valley City noise reduction.